Hey guys, it's Brent with Lawhon Home Team at PRB.
And I'm Jennifer, and in this video, we're going to take you on a new home tour right here in Groveland, Florida by Hanover Homes.
Yeah, just west of Orlando. You can escape the city and find a more rural area right here in Groveland.
So come join us on this tour. The Preserve at Sunrise overlooks the Palatka River Wetland Conservation Area. Residents can enjoy the community dock for fishing, picnics, or just observing some wildlife. There's lots of floor plans that you can choose from.
Step into the Kensington Flex. Stretch foyer. Enjoy seeing straight through to the back. When you step in, enjoy a sitting room. Watch some TV. Or prepare a meal. Enjoy your eat-in kitchen and family dining room. Get them upgrades. Sleek and smooth. Enjoy watching your favorite cooking shows while you prepare a meal. Time for the owner's suite. Extra high ceilings in this model. Enjoy the owner's bathroom. Tub time. Frameless shower. Enjoy that wall upgrade. The tile is set. Walk-in closet. Dual sinks on this model with the granite. Enjoy your patio, covered lanai. Invite some guests over. Another quick tour of the family main area. Time for those guest rooms, bedrooms, and laundry room. Nice and spacious. A little writing desk. This one punches. Those double door closets are nice. Guest bathroom, double sinks. and our 4th bedroom. Nice, spacious.
Groveland, Florida is just west of Orlando, about 45 minutes to Orlando. It is known for its beautiful lakes and nature. And in fact, this year, Groveland is celebrating its 100th birthday.
In the heart of downtown is Lake David Park, where you can enjoy the beautiful views around the lake.
Interested in learning more about the Orlando area? Feel free to download our Orlando Relocation Guide. And if you have any questions about the Orlando area or its real estate market, feel free to call us at the above number or visit our website at lawhonhometeam.com. Enjoying our videos? Please like and subscribe to our channel.